today we're installing exhausts. Not one exhaust, but dos exhaust. Today is exhaust install day. Today we are installing 2 different exhausts on 2 different cars. This video is going to be actually 2 different videos because I want like the Mustang people, one of them's a Mustang, to see that video, and then I want the Focus people, the next one is the Focus, to see that video. So the 2 exhausts we have are a pseudo catback exhaust for a Focus ST, and we also have a Borla Atak exhaust for a brand new Mustang GT. The first exhaust that we are going to be doing though is the Borla Atak on the Mustang GT, so that's the video you're getting today. But keep an eye out for this pseudo exhaust install, you're really not going to want to miss it. We have a pipe that has an L on it. Pipe with an arm. Nipple pipe. Big pipe with an L. This is a hat. Big pipe with an arm. Big fat thing with an arm.
You gotta have the black tips, boys and girls.
Big fat thing with an L. Somebody touching my spaghetti! Alright, this is your early introduction before we actually do the review video because I haven't gotten a chance to do his actual review video. As most of you know, if you've been with the channel for a long time, this is my cousin Connor. Connor had an EcoBoost Mustang, but he recently just sold it and used the money from the EcoBoost Mustang to buy this 2017 Ford Mustang GT. It was used when he got it, but it only had like 4,000 miles on it, and it's 6-speed 5.0. There's gonna be a full review and sort of explanation on the thing, but he's had it for not long.
2 weeks.
He's had it for like 2 weeks, and he put some money back and he bought this Borla Atak to kick off the mods. He got the black tip. It's got the Seat 3, leather seats, heated seats. Yeah, it has heated seats.
It's got air conditioning seats.
Air conditioned seats. It's got all your upgraded stuff. I know it doesn't have the premium package.
No, this is the premium package.
Okay, this is not the performance package. So today we are doing the first mod to Connor's new Mustang GT, and we are installing the Borla Atak catback system. He does plan on getting headers a little bit further down, but for right now we're just installing the catback just because, I mean, it's a Mustang. You gotta make some noise. It's just too quiet. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get started.
Here we go. Yeah, I just leave that on there for the time being.
Yeah, it's gonna need more anyway.
That was making a sick beat.
Hey, I'm gonna move the camera down here, just saying. Oh, cramp.
Why are they so thin? Oh, you know, this is
Don't hit me in the face, don't hit me in the face, don't hit me in the face.
Oh, he's recording our suffering.
my name's Doug. I like long walks on the beach. I like dark caramel chocolate.
Hey, baby girl.
Ooh. All right. I drive these fast.
Connor, I don't know how you're getting that home.
Push where? There's like
Just
push
push forwards towards me. I want you to push it real good.
Yeah, people hate me. Have you not realized this yet?
Yeah.
All right, Hunter, what are we doing now?
We are putting on the mufflers. This is the final part, and then we get to adjust the tip for the whole muffler in general, and start the car and see how she sounds. So excited, because then we have to do a whole nother exhaust.
All right, guys.
I'm holding the curly fry in one hand and the muffler in the other. I don't know if I go to like, I'm sure they go to like the bathroom or
Trying.
now just adjust the
Okay.
We just finished the Borla Atak exhaust install on Connor's 2017 Ford Mustang GT. I mean, we have to adjust the tips a little bit more, but it's on there. It's completely installed. After we film this, we'll adjust the tips just a little bit. But this is the initial sound. So go ahead and fire it up, Zach.
I just developed a heart condition.
That is nuts. All right, initial thoughts.
Initial thoughts, we probably need more lighting.
God, Karen, you are so stupid.
Oh, that was awful initial thoughts. All right, second take. Initial thoughts, Connor.
Initial thoughts, sounds pretty good.
That was awful. Like, that was awful.
No, it's just, don't know what to say, so.
Just speechless. Okay, we just adjusted the tips, so now the tips look a whole lot better. Connor did get the black Borla tips, and they look so good on this new triple yellow. It looks awesome.
That was a cold start.
Mine's only coming out one. You see?
It's coming out of both of them. The lights just hit coming over there.
I see it now.
Whoa, check out those puddle lights. That's pretty cool. This is the first drive. Connor's had this car for 2 weeks, so that also means he's been driving manual for about 2 weeks.
So I'm sorry if I like bucked the whole car and the whole video just like gets shafted.
So don't like roast him if it's a little odd. He's still getting adjusted to driving manual.
Sounds
So-
like I'm gonna like die.
No, I don't think you're gonna die. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off so you can drive. That sounds pretty dang good. You've gotten really good at driving manual, dude.
I know. And you're sitting here telling all your people watching like, so don't roast him. Like, boy.
Oh, okay. He's got the downshift down. He's getting pretty dang good at those riff matches. Oh, turn. I like the sound. I think it sounds awesome. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get in the driver's seat and I'm gonna do a couple of pull-bys to let Connor hear it, to give you an idea of what it sounds like from the outside of the car.
All right, so he's dropping me off the side of the road like some hoe. Great. All right, there goes Connor. Well, you can hear them screaming in the background. God, you can still hear it. Jesus. God. Okay. Anyways, really hyped for this. I thought I spent way too much on this because I've only had the car for 2 weeks. Started a job in the sales field and all that. Got enough money to buy it. Haven't looked at anything else. My next thing I'm going to do is the tuner. I'm looking at an N-Gauge. I think from Milan Racing, if that's what they're called. So yeah, should be pretty cool. There we go. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, in my opinion. I like it. I'm speechless because of how it sounds. And I smell straight gasoline right now because of it. Oh my God. I think they're calling me. What? That's him.
So there you have it. That is the Borla Atak exhaust install on Connor's Mustang GT. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you really want like just a daytime, full on like cold start, hard pull, soft pull, pull off like exhaust video, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to film one of those and post one. But other than that, if you want to see more videos of Connor's car, he's going to be coming around a lot more. We're going to be working on Focus STs a lot more. I got some Focus ST surprises coming up hopefully. And then we're also going to be working on the Miata a lot more too, trying to working on the interior and sorting some of the stuff out. But other than that, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Peace out.